I got a phone call at midnight. The number was unknown. I almost did not answer, but something made me pick up. "Hello," I said. My voice was quiet and sleepy.
Is this Sarah?
A woman asked. Her voice was calm and cold. "Yes," I said. "Who is this?"
You don't know me.
She said.
But I know you. I need to meet you tomorrow. It is important.
I felt confused. Why would a stranger want to meet me? "What is this about?" I asked.
It's about Michael.
She said.
Meet me at Blue Moon Cafe at 10 in the morning. Come alone.
Then she ended the call. I sat in the dark, holding my phone. My heart was beating fast. Michael. My husband, Michael. But Michael was not here anymore. He passed away 2 years ago. My name is Sarah. I'm 32 years old. Michael and I were married for 4 years before he died. He worked for a company that sold medical equipment. He traveled a lot for work. Sometimes he was gone for days. 2 years ago, the police came to my house. They told me Michael had a heart attack during a business trip. They said he died in the hospital. My world ended that day. I cried for months. I could not eat. I could not sleep. My mother stayed with me. She held me when I cried. Slowly, I learned to live again. But everything felt so empty. I went to his grave often. I talked to him. I celebrated our anniversary there. Alone. Now, a stranger called me about Michael. I could not understand. What did this woman want? What could she know about my husband, who died 2 years ago? The next morning, I got dressed and left the house. I took the bus to the city. Blue Moon Cafe was near the main square. I walked inside at exactly 10 o'clock. The cafe was quiet. A few people sat at tables drinking coffee. I looked around slowly. Then I saw something impossible. At a corner table sat a man and a woman. The man had his back to me. But I knew that back. I knew those shoulders. I knew that dark hair. It looked like Michael, my dead husband. My heart stopped. I felt cold. This is not real, I thought. This is not possible. Am I going crazy? Am I dreaming? Is this a ghost? My hands started shaking. I could not breathe. The man turned his head. Our eyes met. It was Michael. His face, his eyes, everything. It was him. His face went completely white. His mouth opened, but no sound came out. I froze. For a long moment, neither of us moved. I could not believe he was really there. He could not believe I was standing in front of him. The woman sitting with him looked at me. She was very beautiful. She had long red hair and green eyes. She wore expensive clothes. She smiled at me.
Please sit down.
She said calmly. She pointed to an empty chair. I walked to the table like I was in a dream. My legs felt weak. I sat down slowly. I stared at Michael. He looked away from me. He looked down at the table. His hands were shaking.
You must be Sarah.
The woman said.
I'm Claire. I know you are scared.
She continued.
I know it seems strange, but yes, Michael is alive.
I tried to speak, but no words came out. I just stared at him. But he kept looking down. Claire reached across and took Michael's hand.
I'm pregnant,
She said. Her voice was calm and proud.
I do not want to live with this lie forever. I already told Michael to tell you the truth, but he was scared. He was scared he might hurt your feelings.
I felt tears on my face. I did not know I was crying. Michael, I whispered, but he said nothing.
He chose me.
Claire said. Her voice was strong and clear. Michael grabbed her hand quickly, like he wanted her to stop talking. But she pulled her hand away. She looked angry.
No, Michael.
She said firmly. She looked at him, then back at me.
I want to live without fear. I don't want to be afraid of her interfering in my life.
She looked at me with proud eyes.
Michael is fully mine.
She said.
We loved each other since we were young. Now we had a chance and we took it. I want you to forget him.
Stop it.
Michael said quietly. His voice was tired.
That's enough.
He said. He looked upset. He looked sad.
Now you did what you wanted. She knows everything.
He stood up slowly. He did not look at me. Claire stood up too. She took his hand firmly. She held it tight. Then they walked toward the door together. I sat there alone, frozen, shocked. I watched them leave. Michael never looked back. He just walked away with her. The tears kept falling down my face. I could not move. Michael was alive. For 2 years I cried for him. For 2 years I went to his grave. I talked to him. I missed him every single day. But he was alive. He left me. He faked his death. He let me fall to pieces, all so he could be with her. That night I cried. I cried until I had no tears left. Michael was alive, but he was dead to me now. Worse than dead. He was a stranger, a liar, a man who could hurt me so deeply and just walk away. The Michael I loved never existed. I married a ghost, a man who was never really mine. If you were Sarah, what would you do after finding out the truth? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more stories.